Let's take a look at the chart action for Ethereum. All right, so here's what I was looking at in yesterday's video. We had resistance, 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 and I was watching this red line right here. I was thinking that we might have an inverse head and shoulders if we could break out to the upside. It looks like we're kind of getting rejected right now. I don't know. It's still possible that we get a bounce and head back to test it again. But the thing that I'm watching now is this support and this support. Let's go ahead and do a trend line right here. In general, I'm waiting for a breakout to the upside or to the downside. Right now, if you notice, we have high, low, high, low, high, low, possibly high. So we're getting lower highs and then we're getting higher lows. Basically, higher lows versus lower highs. Let's see which one wins, upside or to the downside. If we break to the upside, then I'll be looking at the previous resistances. We have one right here, one right here. I think that's a good spot for a target. We have a horizontal line, something like that, at around 4,127. The other thing I've been thinking is we could probably drag another horizontal line somewhere right here. I think I want to break out of this little zone right here. I think if we break out of this little zone right here and head up, then we could be looking at this zone right here, and the top is, like I said, 4,127. But thing I'm watching now, since we didn't break to the upside, we have this support and we have this support. We're trending up. If we break to the downside, the things that I'll be watching are the bottoms, or the previous bottoms, should I say. So we have a bottom all the way down here sitting at around 1780 approximately. Let's go ahead and do these orange lines. And then the next spots that I'll be looking at, we're on the daily, and we'll look at the bottom right here of these bodies. Let's put a horizontal line, something like this. And then let's do another one right here. And then we also had a wick down that came down to right here. So this is another spot that I'm looking at right here. I think in general, if we break this trend line going to the downside, these are the spots that I would be looking at. We have one at the first one is sitting around 2,764, and that's from this bottom right here. The next one is sitting around 2,408, and that is this bottom right here. The next one, this wick right here, is sitting around 2,168, and the bottom is around 1777, 1780 approximately. So yeah, let's see what happens. Are we gonna break to the upside over here, or to the downside? Let me know if you guys agree or disagree in general. If you guys have any questions, you can check out my Discord and we can chat about crypto on there. I'll leave a link in the comments. If you guys are new to trading, check out this playlist right here. It'll help you set up TradingView and it'll help you get started. If you're new to the channel, check out this video right here. It's a video about buying and selling, and it goes over some of the strategies that I like to use. All right, if you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up, and then I'll see you in the next one.